Water won't last forever. Eventually, all our water sources will be gone. The two most essential water sources in Hong Kong are the reservoirs and the Dongjian River. The Water Supplies Department of Hong Kong gives updated information on Hong Kong's water conditions. Followed by the chart made by them, it tells us how many, how full, and how big the reservoirs are. All the water from the reservoirs come from natural rainfall, a source Hong Kong depends on. About 70 to 80% of Hong Kong's water comes from the Dongjian River, located in the Guangdong province of China. The Hong Kong government had started to use the water from 1960. The water is transported through an aqueduct. The water is first sent to Mok Wu and then to 3 other aqueducts to circulate around Hong Kong. On the first year of Hong Kong's agreement with the Guangdong authorities, they had collected 22.7 million cubic meters of water. As the years passed by, the demand of water got higher. Can you guess how much water we need today? Now, Hong Kong uses 1,100 million cubic meters of water per year. What can we do as individuals and the whole community to stop the problem? If everyone could take showers instead of baths and take them for a shorter time, then we could save a lot of water. Reclaimed water is just chemically cleansed sewage water. As you can see on the picture, it says safe and green use of reclaimed water. The method of reclaiming water is both sustainable and reusable. We could even use sewage water for daily uses. Although Hong Kong will not be substituting this as main source for drinking water, Hong Kong will be starting to take initiative by actively using reclaimed water to fill in some of the higher demands of the population. Some effective ways other countries use reclaimed water is for cleaning roads and vehicles, irrigation parks and sport fields, flushing toilets, firefighting, industrial production, urban development, and landscaping. Are there any other things which could be done? Hong Kong should find other major sources of water. So instead of collecting 70 to 80% of water from Dongjian, it could become 30 to 40%. This would mean that the other source would need to contribute about 30 to 40% as well, and the natural reservoirs would be 20 to 40%. If one of the sources run out, you can rely on the rest of them. Reclaimed water should be used much more often in Hong Kong. Did you know that 58% of all the deaths caused by extreme weathering is by droughts? Lack of water means decreased food, a damaged hydrological cycle, and death. In the past 100 years, over 60% of the wetlands have been lost. Can you believe that this small microchip is worth 32 liters of water? There shouldn't be a drought so that the next generation can enjoy water as much as we did.